Thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi yugite gûûkîria Nthukî MBITHI na njira ya kuba kandarathi ndwang'ine mwanya mwanya BUBU ni ugibwa minista wa roji kaunti ya Mbîthî ura ugite Nthukî MBITHI babatere gûûkîrwa kuringana na umbani bwa warite jaja kiri kigomano ya kuruguria gikundi kimwe na ritwa Touch Life Youth Kenya. Samuel Gaishima na kurikithia
Ikiathoni ya kwambiria ikundi gia utethio kiri mbeu mbithi gia Touch Live Youth Kenya kira kiruthiritwo hoteli-ini imwe muci wa Chuka. Mugeni wa gitejo ari minista wa roji wa thirikari ya kaunti Beatrice Kathomi. Akiaria kiathoni giku Kathomi na ugite ati thirikari ya kaunti iritwanya twingi twa mbeu mbithi kwibũkĩria kiri wĩra bathomerete.
If we want to make a road in Tharaka Nithi County, and we have a team of young people who have graduated in engineering, I believe in giving them a chance. Let them make that road, let them make mistakes, let them learn, and then let them grow. That is the only way we can help our youth.
Mwena Kathomi ariuga no ntubo mbeu mbithi baingi kwaga umenyo bwa mitaratara ya gukinyira twanya tutu itubakurukaga untubura akuga thirikari igatumira ikundi ta bibi gukinyithiria mbeu mbithi baba umenyo.
As the civil society, they will come in helping the youth with giving them adequate information and timely information so that they can take advantage of the opportunities that are there to change their lives.
Daktari Teresia Wambui ora noe mwambiria wa ikundi giki ariuga kuri na ubatu bonene bwa gutetheria mbeu mbithi kuma kinyamarani kia wagi bwa wira.
I have been planning for this organization for a long time, and now it has come to registration at Tharaka Nithi County in April 2020. Our target group is really the youth, because those are the people who are the most disadvantaged because of lack of jobs, and we are telling them that there is a new chance to be empowered in all kinds of ways.
Ariuria antu bonthe baigwe bari na moyo wa gũkĩria barabangi kwagĩrithia ũtũũro bwago.
Nobody loses by helping another person. Instead, you just reduce poverty bit by bit. So the real help is actually to help this individual wherever they are, whoever they are. And I would advise those who have, do something, no matter how little, to help another, because that will make a difference.
Nkiripotera wero weekendi kuma gĩcigo bunge ya Chuka Ng'ombe mbĩtagwo Samuel Gaishima.